So I received my hair from YWigs, and it came in this bag,
I just like
which has the box. So this is what the hair came in, a box like this, and it came with some wig caps, 2 of them, and it also came with a strap for your wig. It also came with the exchange form, so if you want to take your hair back or exchange it for something else, you could. So the wig came in this plastic bag. I got a 26-inch natural water wave wig. It also came with 4 combs in it, as you see. So that's perfect. And this is my first time ordering wigs from them, so I don't know how this would look, but it feels very soft. And this is before the wash. I haven't washed it yet. So far, I have noticed this hair is very full. I think I ordered the 180 density. So you want to order 180 density if you want it full. And it looked nice. I will come back and show you guys how it looked when I wash it. The wig also came with a little baby hairs in the front. But I will fix all that. I will trim it and make it look cute. I will be back to show you guys how the wash look.
I just like the sound of it.
So this is how the hair look once it's washed. Very soft. As you guys seen, when I washed it, it had a little bit of shedding to it, and it's still shedding a little. I don't know if because of the texture and the curliness it sheds a little, but this hair does shed a little. Not nothing major, but it sheds. So I'm going to be using this product right here, the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Detangler. So this is the final look when you wash and condition the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back with more videos. Bye guys.